Okay, we are moving on to question 3. 3a. Negative 4 over 10. So to simplify, first of all, this fraction over is the same as division. So we have a negative divided by a positive. Our answer will be negative. And to simplify, I can divide both the numerator and denominator by the same number. They are both divisible by 2, so I can divide both of them by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2 for the numerator, and 10 divided by 2 is 5 for the denominator. B, 3 over negative 12. Again, positive divided by negative is negative. I can divide both of them by 3, right? It's just like reducing your fraction. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, 12 divided by 3 is 4. C, negative 9 over negative 15. Negative over negative is positive, and I can just divide both of them by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3, 15 divided by 3 is 5. D, negative 12 over 40. Negative divided by positive is negative, and I can divide both of them by 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2, 30 divided by 6 is 5. E, 17 over negative 51. Positive divided by negative is negative, and they are both divisible by 17. So 17 divided by 17 is 1, 51 divided by 17 is 3. F, negative 30 over negative 36. Negative over negative is positive. I can divide both of them by 6 to get 5 over 6. And G, negative 46 over 161. Negative over positive is negative. I can first divide both of them by, I think they're divisible by 23. The reason how I know is because I was just trying to break down 46. I can divide this by 2 to get 23. So I can say the numerator is 2 times 23. For the denominator, I really don't know, but usually we can simplify this. Definitely not divisible by 2. That's why I think it's divisible by 23. So I think it should be 7. 23 times 7 is 161. Yeah, so it is 7. So just 7 times 23. And now I'm able to cross out the 23 with the 23. The reason why I know it's 7 is because 3 times 7 is 21. So I was just focusing on the ones digit when I'm guessing. Okay, so my answer is negative 2 over 7. And H, we have 85 over negative 187. So positive divided by negative is negative. Again, I will just use the same way to simplify the fractions. I can divide this by 5. I get 5 goes into 8 1 times, and then 5 goes into 35 7 times. For 187 is probably 17. So 17 goes into 18 1 time, and then 17 1 time. So the numerator is just 5 times 17. Denominator is 17 times 11. I can cross out the 17. I got negative 5 over 11. And I, negative 91 over negative 169. I can divide both the numerator and denominator by, negative over negative is positive, and then I can divide both of them by 13. So 13 times 7 should be 91. Yeah. So if I divide the numerator by 13, I get 7. Denominator, if I divide 169 by 13, I get 13. And J, negative 143 over 156. 143 is divisible by 11. 156, I can divide it by 2. And then I can divide it by 2. And I can divide it by 3. So the numerator is 11 times 13. Denominator is 2 times 2 times 3 times 13. I can cross out the 13. Negative divided by positive is negative. We have 11 over. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So just negative 11 over 12. Okay, that's it for question 3. I'll see you in question 4.